The Ziegler Rebuild Center was built to handle all component rebuilds for our customers and our Ziegler branch locations with safety, quality, and speed.
Ziegler built this with customers in mind. We think every customer is a partner. We know that our partners need the best service, the best support, and that's what this whole place was designed to do.
The type of work that is done here is reconditioning engines, transmissions, torque converters to bring new life to that component. And one of the coolest parts for me is the fact that this is a hand-built component. We want that attention to detail, and there are very few manufacturers or very few shops that do that.
When a component goes into the disassembly side of the facility, a technician will completely disassemble and clean and wash the component. After the parts have been cleaned and dried, a very thorough inspection will take place. These technicians are trained in reusability, so they can make very good decisions when it comes to parts reusability.
Caterpillar publishes reusability guidelines, but then there are Ziegler reusability guidelines. This is a level of quality that it goes above and beyond the Caterpillar guidelines that's based on our experience of knowing what these components go through in the field.
In the Ziegler Rebuild Center, along with the shop, we will have our part support, we have our GPS lab, we have an oil lab that we'll send our oil samples through, we have our technical support teams, we have condition monitoring, everything in-house that we need.
Today's equipment is using more and more technology. We here in the Technology Service Center, we repair GPS and electronic related components for technology and precision. Everything that leaves here goes out knowing that it can go right on the machine and work.
Continuous improvement is very important to the team here at the Ziegler Rebuild Center. We're never satisfied with that's good enough.
We want to improve quality and turnaround time to minimize the amount of downtime our customers experience out in the field. We are constantly trying to improve our throughput, improve quality, and improve safety for our customers.
I want our customers to know that the Ziegler Rebuild Center was built for them, and we want them to leverage it to their benefit and to their success.